Welcome dear student in my course named Determinants of Quality Life. Today's topic will discuss by me is Vision for a Quality Life, National to Global Perspective. Content of this module is Understanding Quality Life, Global Perspective for Quality Life, Indian Perspective for a Quality Life and Conclusion. Learning outcome of this slide, this PPT, this module is a student will be able at the end of this lesson are describe global efforts like Sustainable Development Goals, World Health Organization Health Plan and UN Program, United Nations Program that aim to improve health, environment and peace. Explain how health, environment and peace are connected and why they are important for living a good quality life. Give examples of Indian programs like Swachh Bharat and Ayushman Bharat and show how they help improve life at the local level. Discuss the role of young people in bringing change for better environment, better health and more peaceful societies. Students will be able to practice and promote simple action in daily life like saving water, staying healthy and helping others that support quality of life. Students will be able to create ideas or plans for improving life in their school or community by connecting local efforts with global goals. Students will be able to think about their own role and understand how working together with others can help build a better and more sustainable world. Introduction. The idea of quality life goes beyond wealth and material comfort. It includes good health, clean environment and social harmony, education and emotional well-being. Globally, organizations like United Nations and World Health Organization promotes this vision through the Sustainable Development Goals, which aim to ensure peace, health and prosperity for all by 2030. In India, this vision is reflected in initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Green India Mission, which focus on healthcare, sanitation, environment sustainability and inclusive development. By looking at both local effort and global goals, we understand that improving quality of life is a shared responsibility. Every community and individual, especially youth, can play a role in building a more sustainable, peaceful and healthy world for all. Understanding quality life, a shared global and national aspiration. Quality life is a multidimensional concept that includes physical health, mental well-being, social harmony, environmental sustainability and economic security. While the specific challenges and context differ, both India and the global community share a common goals to build societies where individuals can live in dignity, safety and balance with nature. Global perspective for quality life. Ensuring a high quality of life across nations has become global priority, with organizations like the United Nations, World Health Organization and numerous international agencies working together to frame inclusive and sustainable development goals. These efforts are grounded in the understanding that health, environment, well-being and peace are interconnected pillars that must be nurtured collectively. Strategic programs and policy framework for quality of life. First is United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, World Health Organization Global Framework for Health and Well-being, United Nations initiatives for peace and sustainable development, global youth movements and change makers, community level success models, global best practices. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Adopted in 2015, this framework have 17 goals, 169 targets and vision, leave no one behind. The SDGs serve as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet and ensure prosperity for all by 2030. Several of these goals directly relate to the idea of a quality life. SDG 3, Sustainable Development Goal 3 is good health and well-being, promotes universal health, coverage mental health care and access to essential services. Sustainable Development Goals 6. Clean water and sanitation. It ensures availability and sustainable management of waters and sanitation for all. Sustainable Development Goals 11. Sustainable cities and communities. Advocate for inclusive, safe and resilient human settlement with green spaces, clean air and public health infrastructure. SDG 13, Climate Actions, urges immediate action to combat climate change and its adverse effect on health and well-being. SDG 16, Peace, Justice and Strong Institutions, encourage peaceful societies, access to justice and effective accountable governance. World Health Organization's Global Framework for Health and Well-being. The World Health Organization plays a pivotal role in defining health as a cornerstone of quality of life. It advocates for universal health coverage and resilient public health system, particularly through a global action plan for healthy lives and well-being for all. Bring together 13 global health agencies to accelerate progress toward Sustainable Development Goal 3. Emphasizes integration of health with environmental, social and economic development. And One Health Approach. By One Health Approach, recognize the interconnections between human, animal and environmental health. Promotes collaborative strategies to reduce pandemics, antimicrobial resistance and zoonotic diseases. Mental Health Action Plan year 2013 to 2030 sets global target for improving mental health services, reducing suicide rates and promoting community-based care. United Nations Initiatives for Peace and Sustainable Development. Peace is both a prerequisite and an outcome of sustainable quality life. Several United Nations-led frameworks highlight the synergy between peace-building, climate justice and community resilience. UNDP Human Development Report introduced the Human Development Index, which include indicators like life expectancy, education and per capita income, highlight environmental sustainability and social equity as key drivers of human development. UN Peace Building Fund and Sustainable Peace Framework invest in conflict-prone countries to build institutions, promote dialogue and empower civil society. Encourage gender-inclusive peace building and youth engagement. Paris Agreement in 2015, a largely binding international treaty on climate change signed by 196 countries, sets targets to limit global warming and protect future generations from environmental degradation. Global Youth Movement and Changemakers. Global youth movements and changemakers, youth globally are emerging as powerful advocates for sustainability, equity, and innovation. Several movements and platforms have mobilized young people to become agents to change. Friday for Futures. A youth-led climate strike movement initiated by Greta Thunberg, calling for immediate action on climate change. Youth 2030 Strategies by United Nations, a UN-led initiative to empower youth in decision-making, policy formation, and global partnership across education, health, and environmental sectors. Global Youth Climate Network engages youth through climate advocacy, education, and grassroots innovation projects. Youth-led social enterprises at Global South is South up across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Youth have launched eco-friendly startups, health tech platforms, and peace education initiatives contributing to community well-being. Community level success model, global best practices is Curitiba, Brazil Sustainable Urban Planning, pioneered green transportations, urban gardens, and waste recycling program, recognized globally by combining economic development with ecological balance. Bhutan, a gross national happiness, prioritize spiritual, environmental, and psychological well-being over GDP. Incorporates well-being into all government policies. Singapore, Liveability Index initiatives, integrated green infrastructure, public health access, and walkable city planning. A global example of how innovation and governance can enhance life quality. Copenhagen, Denmark, carbon neutral city by 2025. Extensive investment in cycling infrastructure, renewable energy, and urban greenery. Balance quality life with ecological commitment. Integrated global responsibility for a quality life. The global vision for a quality life is rooted in shared responsibility, inclusive development, and environmental stewardship. Government, international agencies, and civil society must act in convergence rather than isolation to address overlapping challenges of poverty, pollution, conflict, and diseases. Global framework like the Sustainable Development Goals offer a common roadmap by contextual local action is essential. Youth engagement, policy integration, and cross-country collaboration are key to sustaining peace, health, and ecological resilience. Equality life is not a privilege for a few, but a universal right that demands urgent and united action. Indian perspectives on quality life. India's approach to ensuring a high quality life is multidimensional, encompassing healthcare access, environmental protection, sanitation, mental well-being, and social cohesion. Recognizing the interconnected nature of these areas. The Government of India has implemented several flagship missions aimed at addressing both the foundational and aspirational needs of its population. These initiatives align with global vision, such as the Sustainable Development Goal, which, while being tailored to India's unique demographic, ecological and socio-economic context. Strategic program and policy framework is Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJ), Swachh Bharat Mission (SBM), National Mental Health Program (NMHP), National Mission for a Green India (GIM), Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat (EBSB), Jal Jeevan Mission (JM). Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, launched in September 2018, Nodal Agency is National Health Authority. Relevance SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being. Overview. PMJ is world's largest government-funded health insurance scheme aimed at providing financial protections against catastrophic health expenses to economically disadvantaged families. Key feature of Ayushman Bharat is provide 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary hospitalization. Covers over 12 crore families, approximately 55 crore beneficiaries, identified based on deprivation and occupational criteria from SECC 2011. Services are cashless and paperless at the point of services in both public and impaneled private hospitals. Promotes portability, allowing beneficiaries to access healthcare services across India. Impact of Ayushman Bharat is that over 5 crore hospital admissions have been availed under the scheme since inception. Significantly reduces out-of-pocket expenditure and enhances access to quality care for the poor. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Mission, launched October 2, 2014 by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Relevance is Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Overview of Swachh Bharat Mission is a historic sanitation initiative. Swachh Bharat Mission was launched to eliminate open defecation and promote cleanliness in both rural and urban India. The mission has been rolled out in 2 phases. Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin phase 2014 to 2019 focus on toilet construction and making villages open defecation free. Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin phase 2 2022-2025 aim to sustain open defecation free status and promote solid and liquid waste management. Achievements of the Swachh Bharat Mission: more than 100 million individuals household toilets constructed, over 6 lakh villages declared open defecation free. Significant reduction in diarrheal diseases, particularly among children. National Mental Health Program, launched in 1982. Relevance is Sustainable Development Goal 3, Mental Health and Well-being. Overview of National Mental Health Program was designed to integrate mental health services into primary health care, ensuring that mental wellness is not left behind in the pursuit of health equity. Key component of National Mental Health Program is District Mental Health Program, provides community-based services including outpatient care, education and counseling. Telemanas in 2022 India's first 24 round 17 tele-mental health helpline network offering free services in multiple languages, ensuring accessibility during crises such as COVID-19 pandemic. Impact of National Mental Health Program is expanded availability of mental health services in underserved areas, improved mental health awareness and reduced stigma. National Mission for a Green India, launched in 2011 under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Relevance is to Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action, and Sustainable Development Goal 15, Life on Land. Overview of National Mission of Green India is the critical component of India's National Action Plan on Climate Change. It aims to enhance ecosystem services, improve forest-based livelihood, and contribute to carbon sequestrations. Objective of the National Mission of Green India is afforest 10 million hectares of degraded land, increase forest and tree cover to improve biodiversity and water conservation, strengthen community involvement through joint forest management committees. Progress of this Green India is afforestation effort have led to improve soil quality, biodiversity recovery and local employment generation, strengthen climate resilience among rural communities. Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, launched in 2015 in nodal agencies Ministry of Education and other line ministries. Relevance of Sustainable Development Goal 16, Peace, Justice and Strong Institutions. Overview of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is this initiative aimed to promote cultural unity and mutual understanding among diverse states of India through state pairing for cultural and linguistic exchange. Activities include student exchange program and virtual interactions, celebration of paired states, languages, cuisine and festival in schools and universities, promotion of linguistic and social harmony across regions. Impact of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is strengthened emotional bonds across regions, encouraged respect for diversity and national identity, especially among youth. Jal Jeevan Mission, launched in 2019 under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Relevance to Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Objective of Jal Jeevan Mission is to provide functional household tap connection to every rural household by 2024. Key feature of Jal Jeevan Mission is community-based water management through village action plan. Emphasizes source sustainability, grey water reuse and groundwater recharge. Impact of Jal Jeevan Mission is as of early 2025, over 13 crore rural households have received tap water connections. Improved public health outcome due to access of safe drinking water. A holistic and inclusive vision of Indian policies. India's policy framework for quality life is comprehensive and inclusive, recognizing that health, environmental integrity and social unity are inseparable components. These missions illustrate a multi-sectoral and community-centered approach, ensuring that no one is left behind in the journey towards sustainable well-being. By aligning with the Sustainable Development Goals and adopting localized, scalable solutions, India is positioning itself as a global leader in people-centric development. The success of these initiatives depends not only on the government efforts, but also on citizen participation, youth engagement, and cross-sector collaboration. Integrated action. Achieving true quality of life requires shared responsibility and integrated effort across all levels of society, from individual to government, local to global. Individual responsibilities are adopt sustainable lifestyle, reduce waste, conserve energy and water, practice empathy, non-violence and mental wellness, stay informed and support initiatives that align with environmental and social justice. Collective and institutional roles. Each government must prioritize inclusive policies, green infrastructures, and accessible health care. Communities should foster collaboration, volunteerism, and inclusive decision making. Schools and universities should embed environmental and peace education into curricula. Global solidarity. No country or individual can ensure quality life in isolation. Cross-border cooperation on climate, health security, peacekeeping, and economic development is essential. The COVID-19 pandemic proved that our fates are deeply interconnected. Conclusion of this module. A truly high quality of life is not just about comfort or wealth. It is about living with dignity, safety, purpose, and harmony with others and with nature. When we align global goals with local realities, empower youth, and act responsibility, we create a world where equality of life is not a privilege but a right for all. Quality of life goes beyond material wealth. It includes health, peace, dignity, clean environment, and meaningful living. Today's global crisis, climate change, inequality conflicts, pandemic demand collective global solutions. Sustainable development goals offer a shared vision, but their success relies on effective localization and action at all levels. Youth communities and local leaders play a central role in turning global framework into real-world change. Integrated effort, combining environmental care, social equity, and health system are key to long-term well-being. We need to shift from isolated effort to collaborative, systematic transformation that benefits people and the planet. Equality of life should not be privilege for a few. It must become a universal right, rooted in justice and sustainability. Every steps, local or global, personal or collective, bring us closer to thriving, peaceful, and resilient world. These references, and thank you.